everyone, how are you all? Today I will be teaching you the pronunciation of the word quarantine. Many people have misunderstanding in how to pronounce this word, and they do mispronounce this word by looking at the spelling. So I will do the breakdown of the syllables so you can pronounce it clearly. It is quarantine. Quarantine. And the meaning of this word is a period of time during which an animal or person that might have a disease is kept away from other people or animals so that the disease cannot spread. So basically, what is the meaning of this word? To keep a person or an animal away from other animals or people. So if a person has some certain disease which cannot be spread among others, this is the meaning of the word quarantine. So how would you spell it? Quarantine. Quarantine. Okay, so I hope you understood the spelling and the misconception among how to pronounce this word and the correct pronunciation. So pronounce it correctly, use it correctly, and enjoy it.